I'm a creator of things. I mean, it's hard I still don't know what I want to be when I grow up. We're still trying to find exactly what we're doing. But no, I cover everything I've been involved in has been to do with the arts, whether it be music or lighting, and it basically all comes from the same place. I think for me it was LEDs that started me off in this whole journey of becoming a lighting designer. It was exactly that. It's this little tiny lamp that we can do all these things with, and we hide it into little places. And it's kind of going the other way now with LEDs, because we want more power, and we're the little LED is okay, but you need a huge heat sink behind it, unless you're running transformers and things. So it has changed a little bit. Reflective flow was very, very difficult. They asked me to come up with a design for this space, and the space was huge, so we definitely didn't start to set records. But once we started getting into it, there is that wonderful thing of being able to build something this big. There's the excitement involved with that, the challenges they meet along the way, and it was constantly changing. It was a very, very hard project to be involved in because it was constantly changing. The hardest thing with these big projects is there's a lot of engineering, a lot of safety issues. And the hardest thing as an artist is sort of staying true to your original design. That's the hard side of it. That was the biggest challenge throughout. Because of some of the projects we've been doing, I get sent a lot of new materials every week. Different companies send me new materials to work with and new things to work. So we build quite an extensive library of new materials, and that can be technology, it can be new LEDs, new lenses, everything to do with the lighting, but also new components that are being made from porcelain, some of the new materials that we can involve. But a lot of the time you have to look back at the old materials as well. You can't forget what's gone before us, because there's a lot of old materials that can be revamped and turned around to work in different ways. I was never really the go out green sort of guy, but now more and more, I think because I've been travelling the world so much, that you realise it's a very, very small place that we all live in, and we've done a lot of damage. So when I'm making these huge pieces, as much as I want to make these huge pieces, I have to be responsible to what we're using in terms of energy, and the actual products that we're designing as well should be as recycle friendly and use materials that are sustainable. I'm a lighting designer now. I might go back to doing some art. It depends. It's a long road in front of me yet. I'm definitely going to Lux Live this year, because I really feel the industry needs the sort of thing that you guys are doing. I'm very, very impressed, especially on the ecological side of things.